My haircut. My hair's not cut. And I will be writing a 1-star review for this place.
Some of y'all just need.
But you did, so fuck you. You ruined my fucking day off, and I wish I didn't let you, but you did, so fuck you. Strand of Soul in Pasadena. Weird as fuck that you deleted the
I'm Madeline, and I am the hairstylist that this whole drama is about. She says fuck my business and fuck me. You can watch that and get the gist, but basically she was more than 15 minutes late to her appointment. I do give a 15-minute grace period. She wanted a very textured, layered haircut. I'm very detailed oriented. I don't like to rush. Just like her, rushing and being late gives me anxiety. I really hold my client, completely understand that. I'm really not coming on here to bash Lisa. I genuinely feel very bad for her. Anyone that feels...
Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So when I have to do my hair, when I've scheduled an appointment with someone, I make sure to wash, deep condition the day, like maybe the day before. I make sure to communicate them very well, and I make sure that once they give me the address and stuff like that, I Google it. I look at the reviews sometimes, and I look at the address and see where it's located and things like that. Like, you know, the estimation of how long it's going to take me to get there. Like, and also, you know, a lot of us know our areas. We know the kind of traffic you deal with. For example, where I live, you know, if you want to go to like 45 minutes away, there's traffic like crazy. So, you know, I prepare myself because I don't like anxiety. I don't like that. I'm going through perimenopause, and I don't need any little thing, you know, throwing me off, right? So this is for me the part that you're supposed to do, right? But there's people that are coming on social media and posting this nasty video saying that a business or whatever did something bad, blah, 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 when a lot of the thing was really their fault. So there was a video of this lady that went viral where she came on social media crying that she did not get her haircut that she had planned for like a month, and went and rated the salon really bad. And she went and wrote a nasty long review and went all over social media just crying and explaining all this stuff. And when it really was all her fault, the whole thing could have just been solved by just taking accountability and admitting that you did something wrong. And later on, when I was looking at everything, she said that the salon owner was lying. So in the video, she starts out by saying pretty much that she got out, that she was getting ready to go, and she looked up and she realized that she was going to be a few minutes late. And she lives in LA. If you don't know anything about LA, it has the worst traffic ever. So a lot of people know to prepare themselves. So this lady literally left last minute, hoping that she could make it to the appointment. And pretty much, she's like, oh, I know LA traffic is bad, blah, 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 but yet you do not leave early. So she leaves her house. She's running late. She gets there. And the salon owner pretty much tells her that, you know, I don't think I'm going to have enough time to really do your hair really well. Can we reschedule? And she pretty much kind of says, no, I can't reschedule, blah, 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 blah. The salon owner didn't even charge her a late fee and things like that. She's like, can you just come back another day? And she refuses. So she comes back on social media crying that, you know what, I've been waiting on this haircut and I didn't get it. When you look at the lady, she says, oh, I hate being late because my mom was always late and I don't like to do that to people. And yet she left her house last minute to go to the appointment. She mentions over and over LA traffic, and yet she did not prepare herself. She talks about all this stuff, ranting in the video of how the salon owner is lying about everything and she did everything right. And I'm like, but you were late. And she said she was late 5 minutes. She was actually late 20 minutes. The salon owner came and responded, which I'll post, and pretty much said, you know what? She was willing to work with her if she can come back another time. I think the only thing that salon owner made a mistake of was to let her know, hey, I don't have enough time to really get you that good haircut that you've been coming here for and stuff like that. So it's just like at the end of the day, we need to just stop really just blaming everybody for everything else and take accountability that, hey, you know, you were late. When I try my best, when I know that I've done something wrong, to just say, you know what, that was my fault. When I'm rushing and last minute, she talks about how the elevator had issues and something else happened. And I'm like, that's exactly what happens when you're running late and last minute. You're shuffling and all that stuff. And also, you don't want somebody to be rushing for a hairstyle, you know? that you wanted to look good. You don't want somebody to mess you up because they're rushing. And also the salon owner said, when you are late, you back up everybody else. And that's somebody else's time that they also schedule. So she was willing to kind of try to work with her. By the end of the day, she was like, it just wasn't possible. So they went back and forth, and she's over here crying, just expecting people to feel bad for her when most of the people, everybody pretty much said you were late. Just accept that. And it's just like she became a Karen. She's like, I didn't get my hair cut, and I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a 1 star and whatever and this and that. And I'm like, at any point, did you say, you know what, I was late? No, you went on and on and on about all these other issues. And I'm looking at her in the video like, you have some emotional things that are going on. It was just some stuff that's just off about her. Like, it seems like she was so emotional baggage that's now breaking down. And people are just literally like, you're crying over a haircut. Like, you could just tie your hair in a bun and wait it out. It wasn't that bad. It's not like you took down, like one time when I took down my hair, I washed everything and I had to work the next morning and the person didn't communicate with me, and I'm waiting, texting, calling, and nothing, which is another story about a lot of the back hairstylists that I've dealt with. It's been horrible. But anyway, at least this person, like, you can deal with it for a little bit. Just figure out something. I had to put on a wig. But at the end of the day, I just want to say, like, some people just need to put the phone away and stop coming on social media complaining about stuff that they had all to do with. Like, it's your fault. You know what I mean? Like, stop.